In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Weebly site. Whether you're looking to enhance user engagement or promote important announcements, pop-ups can be a powerful tool for your website. Let's get started with the process, which is simpler than you might think. First, you'll need to open your Weebly site editor. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top bar and click on the Apps option. This is where the magic happens, as this section will give you access to a variety of features that can enhance your site. Now that you've clicked on Apps, you'll want to focus on finding an app that provides pop-up functionality. To do this, simply type Popup into the search bar. You'll see a list of available apps pop up, pun intended, which offer different features and styles for your site pop-ups. Once you find an app that best meets your needs, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a button that says Add. Clicking Add will prompt the app to begin integration with your site. The interface may vary slightly depending on the app you've chosen, but they generally follow a similar process. After you've added the app, you'll see an option to connect. By clicking this, the app will start connecting to your website, which is essential for the pop-up to function properly. It might take a moment, but soon you'll be ready to work on the fun part, customization. With the app successfully connected, you'll enter a setup process where you'll have the opportunity to customize your pop-up's design and content. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Think about what you want your visitors to see. Is it a welcome message, a special promotion, or maybe a newsletter sign-up? You can adjust fonts, colors, and images to match your brand perfectly, ensuring the pop-up aligns harmoniously with your website's design. Once you've made all your changes and you're satisfied with how everything looks, be sure to click Publish at the top of your editor. This final step ensures that your pop-up is live and visible to your site visitors, ready to capture attention and drive engagement. And there you have it, folks. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a pop-up to your Weebly site. Easy, right? Now you can take advantage of this powerful tool to enhance your website's functionality and improve visitor interaction without any fuss. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.